hands clicking in the twilight. Streets aglow, silhouettes dance in moonlight. Got the camera steady, hands meet the beat. Frame by frame, capturing life's heartbeat. Zooming in, focus on the hidden smile. Grainy textures, bringing stories to the trial. Snapping memories, no filters needed here. Raw and real, each shot's crystal clear. Click that shutter, sounds tell the story. I find my glory in moments hunky-dory. Freeze the second, hold it tight in the palm. In this frame, nothing ever goes wrong. Rolls of film, secrets in the negatives. You snap a treasure, vivid and imperative. Moving shadows, they dance in the exposure. Holding on to moments, life in a closure. Golden hour, chasing light in the city maze. Flashlight pops, illuminating downtown craze. Candid captures, pure essence with no script. Holding on to moments, life in a closure.